Welcome to the Digital Moisture Meter. In this video, we will walk you through what it is, how to use it, and what you can do, along with a little information as to why you might need it. Moisture meters have two very important roles. The first is detecting moisture in walls, ceilings, flooring, and carpeting in your home. The second role is making sure your wood is dry enough to burn in your wood stove, fireplace, or campfire. We'll start by showing how you use the moisture meter to detect moisture inside the home. Did you know? Excessive moisture can create mold. All mold needs is moisture and a food source, such as dust or carpeting, to grow. Mold will start to grow on surfaces that contain approximately 20% moisture. Knowing whether there's hidden moisture or water damage in your home can help you prevent mold. Mold can also result from too much humidity in the home. If you find mold growing on walls, floors, or in closets, and there is no signs of a leak, you could have too much humidity in the home. Covering pots while cooking, opening windows, and using a kitchen fan while cooking can help to reduce humidity. Mold can also easily grow in the bathroom. Be sure to use the bath fan or open a window before and after showering or bathing. Mold can cause headaches, fatigue, congestion, asthma attacks, and even mimic the flu. Because of this, it's important to clean mold as soon as it appears. So how do you use the meter to detect moisture in your home? This digital moisture meter will measure the amount of moisture in everything from walls and floors to carpeting. It's a small, powerful, and helpful tool that every home should have. To use, gently place the prongs into the materials you'd like to test, such as drywall, flooring, or carpeting. Note: the prongs are sharp and can damage materials. Use the meter to check for moisture wherever you suspect there is water damage or a leak. Moisture should read less than 20%. If it is more than 20%, you need to 1. Find, locate, and fix the source of moisture. 2. Remove any materials that have been wet for more than 24 to 48 hours. 3. Clean, dry, and replace materials. The second important role of the digital moisture meter is to measure the amount of moisture in your firewood. Knowing how much moisture is in your firewood can make you more informed about how clean and efficient your fires will burn. Fires built with dry firewood use less fuel, generate more heat, and release a minimal amount of smoke. Burning wood that contains more than 20% moisture creates excessive smoke. Wood smoke may lead to asthma attacks. It's also linked to heart attacks in people with heart disease and can cause watery eyes, stuffy noses, and chest tightness. Burning dry wood is safer for you, your neighbors, and the environment. To use, place the prongs into the fresh cut sides of the wood, not into the bark. Note: the prongs are very sharp. And be sure to test any firewood that you may purchase. Split, stack, cover, and store firewood so that the wood stays dry and moisture content registers below 20% before you burn. Now that you know more about this meter, how to use it, and a few tips about digital moisture meters, you are ready to get started. To learn more, go to www.yourairmatters.org. This project is brought to you by the Partnership for Air Matters and funded by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Thanks for watching.